what is 𝗕𝗬𝘂𝗧? 𝗕𝗬𝘂𝗧 review. In this video, we're going to be having a look at an app called 𝗕𝗬𝘂𝗧. You'll find that this will in fact speed up your product creation as well as your content creation no end. Once you really grasp hold of how good this is, you'll love it. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Okay, now where we are is called 𝗕𝗬𝘂𝗧, and 𝗕𝗬𝘂𝗧 really is an amazing thing. It'll actually speed up your content creation. It can also be used to, if say for example you have a lot of repetitive work that you want to do, what this can do is this can actually eliminate a lot of time. Say for example you have some cover letters to create, or you have a lot of stuff to send to people in interviews and all the various information you want to be able to send. You can do that using this. Now all you need to do is write a small amount of snippet of code, and when I say code, it's like /do or something like that, and that's all you have to write, and it'll write up the entire thing for you. Now you can first of all create the template for yourself, and then once you've got the template created, you have it forever. Now let's have a look at the pricing first. The pricing is really amazing. So you have the first one, which is actually free to start off with, and it allows up to 20 snippets. So you can do up to 20 snippets, but it allows you to use up to 2,500 characters. You can't do more than that, but it's also limited snippet sharing, so you can't really share it with a lot of people. And also it gives you a trial forms as well to start off with. But the pricing for the yearly one is really amazing. If you go for the yearly one, this is $2.99 a month, which works out to be less than $36 a year. It is literally only $35.88 per year using this particular one, and you can get up to 1,000 snippets, 25,000 characters within your snippet. That will give you a very good size information. That's per snippet, by the way. Double the snippet sharing, full form support, and images in the snippet. So you can also add images if you wish to. And of course you have your business one, which is $6.99 a month, which is dirt cheap for a business one. And this is billed yearly, by the way. So let's have a look at what that is per year. That's only $83.88 a year, and that gives you 50,000 characters, unlimited snippet sharing, full form support, and 4,000 snippets. So you can save up to 4,000 snippets. Now let's go and have a look at what this is all about. First thing you want to do is download the Chrome extension, and that's it right here. And if you want to say, for example, you've created a number of snippets, you can check out what they are. Now let's go and have a look here. You start off with a folder, and you'll have some pre-filled out folders that you can check out. For example, let me show you one here. Now I'm going to bring up my Gmail account, and I'm going to paste in here an email address that I've already got created, and add here the check out this amazing app. This is something I've already pre-written. As you can see, it says, "Hi mate, how you doing? Hope you're doing well. You should check out this amazing time-saving app." And then I've got 3 snippets of code. So I've got TIA, and then I've got TY, and then I've got SIG. Now TIA is "this is amazing." Then we got TY, which is "thank you," and then we have sign. Now it's not just thank you, it's also "thank you so much, I really appreciate that." So let's now place this straight into here, and let me show you how this all works. Copy that, and we're going to place that straight into here, and go Control V. And when you get to this point here, let's go /TIA, think that is awesome, /TY, thank you so much, I really appreciate that, and /SIG, and then it creates your entire signature for you. Now imagine if you had to constantly create information per day. Say for example you had to send out a bunch of different emails per day, or you had to create cover letters every single day. This will be an amazing time saver. Now how do we actually go about doing that? Very easy. Let's go over here. The first thing you need to do is start a new snippet, and you do that by hitting this plus button. Now what happens is it comes up here with a new snippet, and let's make this one email. And over here I'm going to go EM for email. It's a /EM, and then what you can do is you can actually place your email just here. So I'm just going to copy my email, and I'll be right back. Okay, so all I need to do is just go there, and I can place my email address right there. Now what I might also do is say thank you so much, or even just leave it at that. Just leave it at that, because if I want to just type in the email that I know, or it might be, say for example, this is my YouTube email, and you're right to go. Now, say for example, you wanted to add a lot more information, you could create a lot more information here. Please don't spam me or send me marketing information. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, Henry Webster. Okay, now that is now something, if I wanted to put this email in, I could put that anywhere I want, or I can just leave it as just the email, save you having to constantly typing that email in. Say for example, it's a business email, or it's an email that you're using on a regular basis. You can just keep it at that if you wish to. And then if you want to do any more editing to it, you can edit it as you go. If you want to be able to add times and dates, you can also do that. So as you can see, it's got email, and then let's say for example, you want to go down here, you can see it says email. So let's go and have a look at this in the actual section just here. So I'm going to get rid of all of that. We just want to put the email in. So it's just /EM, and there we have it. Really quick, really easy, really simple. There's a lot more to TextPlace as well. You can also check out the time and date if you wish to. You can choose to add these sort of things in here if you want to. Let's go and have a look at that. Let's add a date. Over here at this one here, you can also add a date. So in this particular one, it's /D8, and there we have it. So I now have today's date on there if I wish to. Let's say, for example, you want to put something else in there. Now, let's have a look at other options we've got here. Let's click on that. And this will now allow me, this is the actual extension, this will allow me to have a look at the various ones I've created. Now this one here is cursor, and then, okay, so that is awesome. Demo, which is time and date, but it actually doesn't give you a time that I can find, it just gives you dates, but that's okay. Then you go, I hope you're doing well. Okay, so let's go down here, /DW, okay, so down here, copy that over the top of that, /DW, I hope you're doing well. So as I said, you just click on that, keep having a look at the various options you've got here. You also have forms as well. Let's click on forms. There we are. This is the sort of things you can do. You can add names here if you wish to. You can also have pricing and also all these other things. So you can add forms to this if you wish to. You can add your own links and so forth. Also, AFA, as far as I know, by the way, BTW, see you later, see ya. Date, D8, email. But if I wanted to, I could have a massive list of different ones that I could use. So that is absolutely brilliant. Now, as I said, these prices are so low compared to a lot of others. And would I consider this an AI? I guess kind of, yeah. I kind of guess it could be, because it does speed up the product creation process a lot. Or at least speeds up the process of writing emails and also commenting on various things. Say for example, you have a Instagram account and you have something you often say in a lot of things, you can also do that. You can say TY, thank you, I really appreciate that. And I can also now add that to any comments that someone sends me. I can also say thank you, TY, thank you so much, I really appreciate that. And then I can add a little bit of my own thing so as it becomes more personal. It's going to speed up your process no end. So that's just a small amount of what you can do with TextPlace. I might do another video about TextPlace next week, just so you can get a better idea as to what it can do. Alright guys. Now if you got some value out of this video, have a smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing? And also, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of TextPlace. Alright, just to let you know, that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. Now if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.